My delegate said.
So, sir, let's know your purpose of seeing the SLSC. Yes, sir.
We really appreciate that as his brothers. Really thank all the Edo people, anywhere they are in Nigeria. That will not go. So thank you. Standing with him, standing with all of us. He's winning, has been a winning for all of us. It's still very fresh in us. You know, some people will say, it's almost 2 years, but no, we don't want to let that go. Whenever I have that opportunity, I must still acknowledge that support. Because if you tell somebody well today, tomorrow he will do more for you. Coming to see him, number one, this is my brother. I had to officially come and tell him that I'm in this race to win, and that it will be better for all of us. You know, he's also a professional in politics like me. So two of us have a lot of things in common. And today I'm in Edo here to talk to our party members and also let them know why it must be PDP, why Nigerians must support us, why Nigerians must stand with us, why Nigerians must also look up to us to rescue and to restore the fortunes and the lost glory of this country. I think we're in it together. And I'm happy when I came in, he was hosting the Southern Governors' Wives Forum. So I joined him on a courtesy call with all the governors of certain part of this country. He's an amazing brother, and I hope things will work well. And let me also assure you, with PDP in the saddle in 2023, the economy will bounce back. Thank you, and God bless you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, sorry. Henry.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.